Look at that. Can you believe that is a $15 or $20 black opal? Really? You can believe that. Look at how bright that color is. Now, look at the back. Focus, you fuck. But anyway, that dark bar you see across here is a saw cut. Okay, and the whole thing feels like plastic. So tell me, what do you think? $15 or $20 black opal. They didn't even do a good job of sanding the back flat, and even my wife has to admit it feels like plastic. You couldn't see because the resolution just wasn't it. And there's even a pit in the surface of the dome. If that's black opal, I doubt it very highly. And maybe black synthetic or black simulated. But if that's real, natural, Australian black opal, she won't let me heat up a dental tool and stick it to the back and see if I smell hot plastic. I bet we would. Yeah. Now I'm going to try another camera, so I'm going to have to stop now and change cameras. Well, there you have it. I showed you what the stone looks like with this camera here. It's a Logitech HD webcam 529 or 923. Anyway, and the second sets of images you saw of that stone I made with, where is it? I know. Ah, here it is. I made with this. It's a USB microscope. There's a stand, double ball and socket joint so it can do all kinds of weird moving around. Anyway, since I will be cutting opal, I need use two cameras, one to show you the rough, long shots of me cutting. Don't want to get water spattered on this lens. And then for in close, I have the microscope. This stone I showed you. Spectacular, isn't it?
What?
I'm talking to the camera. Spectacular, isn't it? I mean, if that was real opal, that'd definitely be worth $20, wouldn't it?
Can you prove it's not?
Yeah, I can, but you're afraid that if it's real, it'll crack the stone when I hit it with a hot tool.
I can't send it back and tell him to shove it up his ass.
Just send it back. Tell him it feels like plastic. It isn't sanded on the back, and it feels like plastic. It's as simple as that. An honest dealer will take it back. And it said free returns, didn't it?
What?
The ad for the stone said free returns.
I don't think so.
Ooh.
For the same damn place.
Yeah, but I got free returns promised in the ad. Yeah. No, the seller don't want this piece of crap back. I think it's plastic. I really do. Anyway, I'm going to let you go for now. Good night from California.